Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.2, Problem 14. This is Section 4.2, Problem 14. It says the given triangles are similar. Find the length of the unknown side. So we have two triangles. Our unknown side is the bottom right-hand side of the smaller triangle. So what we need to do is set up a proportion. So we'll have 6 to 8, which would be 6 over 8, is equal to n over 10. Now we have two fractions that are equal to each other, so we're going to solve the unknown part by cross-multiplying and dividing. So as we multiply one way, we'll have 6 times 10. Multiply the other way, n times 8. They're equal. N times 8 or 8 times n, we can just call 8n. 6 times 10 is 60. Now to solve for the unknown, the n, what we want to do is divide the 60 divided by 8. So off to the side, we'll do 60 divided by 8. 8 goes into 6. 6 isn't big enough. It won't go in at all. So 8 goes into 60 how many times? Well, as close as we can make it fit is 7. 7 times 8 is 56. Does not go in evenly. Subtract 60 minus 56 is 4. So now for the decimal, consider the 60 to be 60.0. You're going to bring that decimal point up. Bring down that 0 that we just put in next to the 4, make it a 40. 8 goes into 40, 5 times actually, and then it goes in evenly. 5 times 8 is 40, 40 minus 40, 0 remainder. So the missing side, the unknown side, is 7.5 or 7.5.